you're right. It is extremely linear.
Yeah.
You will never spend 5,000 better dollars. Nothing I say will demonstrate how awesome this is.
Totally fine for most things. Is that a Celica GT convertible?
I'm here in Colorado today, and today's video is going to be awesome. There he is. There's the man. So this is Jordan. I think most of you, if you are into Miatas, know who he is. Ghosty Miata, right there with all her turbo. Is it her or him? I don't know. Do you care?
I don't know.
All her turbo glory. I'm about to go drive this thing. I had my supercharged NC, so I've been waiting to drive this. Last time I was visiting, it was like icy, snowy. I don't know what it was. Yeah. I think we're gonna start a series called Guys in Cars Getting Coffee.
I don't think I've ever done that before.
Yeah. Recording through USB mics. Okay, I'm gonna go over here and you talk.
Testing, testing, testing.
Czech Republic, testes. All right, we are gonna use this dual mode feature on my phone. So you're gonna see us and you're gonna see what we're looking at. Also, tell me what you guys think about these taillights. These have gotten pretty popular recently. People have been buying them.
Yeah, they're the Archaic. I guess Archaic is the company, but also they're purchased through Alibaba, which is a funny fact.
Yeah,
I guess.
I was working on my friend Faisal's and we could not get the reverse to work, and we tried every wiring combination. So I don't know if he ended up keeping them, but the FM logos. Big fan of FM radio, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And yeah, custom ghost badge.
Oh crap! Yeah, you're right. That's cool.
It's the iOS ghost emoji, so you wouldn't recognize it.
not as Android users, are poor people. The carb-friendly kit.
Yeah, carb legal. I have the small turbine housing. A lot of people know Smoking Tire distributed the same kit with the bigger turbine housing, which is a bit more peak power, but less linear. I prefer the linear feel.
That's what I like. That's why I like the supercharger
Exactly,
a lot. So.
yeah. I think it's settled in a close to 250 at the wheels is what most people can expect on 11 PSI.
This
feels very usable, very streetable. These are ultra high performance all season tires, and that feels like...
Oh, that's right. You told me that.
Brand new Nokian Surpass.
Nokian, yeah. I was going to say
AS01s.
Redstein, but yeah.
Yeah, these are technically a prototype set, but they should be representative. They didn't hold up super well on track, but I think that's kind of pushing past what they're intended.
That's the all-season part of it coming out.
They would have been fine on Austin's car. With almost double the power that Austin has. They were
Is that
rough.
video out?
Not yet.
Not yet? Okay.
Working on it. We shot 9 videos last week, so.
Let's get going because I'm eager to drive this and I need coffee.
Same.
So, all right. Holy crap, what is this steering wheel?
Cypher Auto.
It's not even just the girth, it looks the same girth.
Yeah.
But this weird, like, squared off feel right here is awesome.
Yeah, it's got,
what the hell?
It's just a bit more chunky, got the flat bottom.
Dude, I love this. Feels so good in here. This thing is pretty refined. You've done a good job here.
I thought we should do a real quick partial canyon blast and then coffee.
Okay, that works.
The comedians in cars getting coffee is the
We're
real
not
one.
We're comedians. We're funny. Angels and Airwaves fans getting coffee in cars.
That's original.
Very specific niche.
Yeah, go right.
All right. Oh yeah, we're gonna do the stint first.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh shit. No way. Whoa. Oh my, sold.
It's a blast,
I'm doing my swap. I'm getting this kid. That is surprisingly responsive.
Yeah.
The turbo, you're right, it is extremely linear.
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting that.
That's the only reason I really wanted it.
Oh. And it sounds so good. Dude.
So one of my first bigger videos was the Super Q muffler. You know, the video was called Wife Approved because it was like good enough for your wife to approve. She left, but not because of the muffler. And it was
mostly the muffler.
it was perfect to pair with like a header, a catless header, which I had. But once I got the turbo, which added a cat back, now I have 2 cats again. It got too quiet out the back, so now I have a cobalt muffler. I actually like this combo a little bit. It's still quiet.
It's quiet, but it's like...
Now it's surround sound. You have turbo in front of you, a little bit of muffler behind you.
Oh my God, this is so well done. Everything about...
I mean, it feels OEM plus, which is always the point of this car.
This does not have a lot of lag at all. Oh my God, I love this. I loved your car before, every time I drive it. This is unreal.
Like throw it in sixth and just like gradually build some boost and let off. Gradually let off. This is the turbo noises.
I mean, my Mercedes makes turbo noises. But this is like that classic fluttering. The flutter is what I miss. I don't get the flutter on mine.
Modern cars don't really do as much of that.
So I was going to comment on the suspension after some twists, but as of right now, what do you want?
So these are the brand new Meister R Zeta Sport. So they're like a step above Zeta CRD. They have what's called speed reactive valve. So like kind of like
Magna Ride?
Frequency response dampening. Oh.
Holy crap. You could get in some trouble in this thing. Dude, no way. Oh yeah, the tires.
Yeah, the tires
squishiness.
The tires they don't have quite the grip you want for like really, really intense canyon driving.
Well, yeah, they're squishy. You can feel the cornering.
Yeah.
Like the response between moving left and right.
I think I need
It's a little soft.
I want to go back to PS4S for that stuff. I would still run these on road trips too.
Dude, this is so good. I can't explain how good this is in the camera. Nothing I say will demonstrate how awesome this is.
So you're gonna move back yet?
I'm gonna get my turbo and then I'll move back. First I gotta get my swap done. You can get a little pop back there.
Yep.
Woo. It's been 4 years since I sold my Miata. I don't really remember it much, which sounds really weird.
Yeah.
But it was supercharged most of the time I had it.
Yeah.
I guess I just got so used to it that it never like blew me away anymore.
Yeah.
After a while. And if I can get back to even this, I mean, hell, I'd even go supercharger if I found a cheap kit somewhere.
Yeah.
But this at 5K and just install it myself, get it tuned.
Yeah, I've got a friend who installed, a couple friends have installed it now. Not too bad. Like if you're handy enough, I feel like it's...
If I'm going to do the swap myself, I should be able to do a turbo install.
The instructions are pretty clear. Actually, all Flyin Miata's instructional videos are on this car, so they filmed this install.
Okay. Driving perspective, these are probably some of the smoothest coilovers I've ever felt in my life.
Yeah.
And they feel controlled. They don't feel... There's no like discomfort when you like go over a bump.
Yeah.
It still feels planted. These are good. I'm not getting any fun driving out of those people in front of me. Ooh, yeah. Dude, you can lose control of this thing so fast. Whoa. If you're on the fence for this kit, all you gotta do is find one and go drive it. And you'll never spend $5,000 better dollars than on this kit if you have an NC Miata.
I took some people on some ride-alongs at Flyin Miata summer camp.
Their sales shot up.
I sold a lot of kits.
Yeah, I was gonna say, you better be getting some commission on this thing.
So, I'm gonna say stock radiator, totally fine for most things.
This is a monster.
But you're gonna want to upgrade the radiator if you do track.
This guy literally ruined my day.
Yeah, that's pretty normal out here.
Don't you have a job? Like, it's Friday.
Yeah, what are we doing? No, it's okay. People think we do YouTube for a living.
Yeah. I just don't work Fridays. Good news is you have a Miata that has passing power.
I know, finally.
For the longest time, that's all you wanted.
So what are you swapping in?
2.5.
Yeah.
Passing power. Wow. Holy Oh, I'm pushing the brakes. I'm not gonna say what speed we hit there, but we hit a speed that most NC Miatas struggle to hit.
Yeah.
Dude, I mean, I think back at when we first met, the goals you had, and how long you thought it was going to take you to get to that. And it did. It took a while to get to where you are now, but years of relationships and all that, man, this is
never give up.
Absolutely amazing. My short shifter is so janky. Which, I mean, I've seen a lot of people say that why would you even get a short shifter on the NC at least?
It was fun. It's just no one's developed the short shifter for me yet. So the short shifter cut the shifting and like made it like 30, like a third shorter. We'll go in here, this place.
Oh, that's where we went last time.
Yeah,
yeah,
look
this
at that.
is awesome.
Look at that convertible.
Snap.
That's a sports car right there. Is that a Celica GT convertible?
Yeah, Austin would,
wishes.
Yeah. This is your first turbo car, right? Yeah. Yeah.
Look at that wagon.
Saturn?